It's the halftime show. Hey, Tamir from Fibonacci.com here. Halftime show, midday market review for July 17th. Another day, another red day. We can say another red day. We can see the whole market, especially the SPY and the Qs, just going to the downside. How are you this evening? How are you this morning, this evening, this afternoon? How are you doing? Say hi, don't be shy. It's 12 a.m. China time, 12 p.m. Eastern time, and it's 7 p.m. Israel time. Say hi, don't be shy. How are you? Now you can see it better, the screen. Yeah, it's a pretty red day. SPY going down 0.7, QQQ going down 1%, IWM 0.8, Dow Jones 0.6, even the KRE is red. So what do we have on the green side? Of course, we have the XLRE. On the green side, the real estate sector is green. Consumer staples is green. What else do we have? XLC is also a little bit green today. As you can see, uptrend. What else do we have? Green. We have the XLE green. XLE very green. We've been talking about the XLE since 4 or 5 days ago, and we said once it broke this downtrend, now it's on its way to the upside. Next resistance, we are here at the 94.44, then 96, and back to the 97.80 to the upside. Let me just quiet everything here. So yeah, most of the stops should trigger already, which is a good thing. It means you are using risk management. Hi Nir, Yitzhak, Ingrid, Nancy, Tomer, Shlomi, Doron, and Patrick. Hi everybody. How are you this evening, this afternoon? Let me know what are what's your plan? Are you out? Have you sold all your portfolio already? My stops hit. AGL hit my stop. SQ hit my stop. What else did we hold? What else? We had some nice run on Moderna in the morning. It gave us a nice pop-up. We took it. We took some short on Apple. And for those who don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have trading floor in English. We have trading floor in Hebrew. Premium day traders, swing lounge, options, day trading swings. And as you can see, we took some SPY short. We took Moderna in the beginning of the day. Apple short we took not long ago. What else did we take? Tesla went all the way to the 254 and just got rejected. 256 even. It went all the way to the 256 and got rejected. Moderna we took some long, as you can see in the beginning of the day. And for now we are still holding Apple short and SPY short. So if you want to make money, this is the place for you. The Fibonacci Traders Discord. All you need to do is check the links in the description below. Go to the golden membership, click it, join us, and you will start see how we make money. SOXL, condolences for you. Still holding SOXL, even though yesterday minus 21%, today another 4%. The road is down. 53 is incoming in my opinion. Yeah, basically the market is on the red side. Zscaler broke this uptrend channel for now, 2 days in a row. Not looking good. If you're holding Zscaler, your stop should already popped. What else do we have? Should we continue holding Apple long, Apple short? Should we continue hold SPY short. Yeah, looks pretty good. As you can see, broadening formation at the 65 minutes. No, this one. 65 minutes, broadening formation. If it will not hold this area, we are going to see the same price action we saw over here to the upside, but to the downside, 552. What else? Moti, what do you mean he put option on the SPY? I don't understand. I have cash to buy something else. No need to buy. Sit on hands. Wait until the storm will finish. Now look at Tesla for the day trading. Consolidation, equilibrium. Look at this. Very nice equilibrium. We can start taking long above the 254. Below 251, we are back to the 259 and 246. Yeah, we do also day trading in the Fibonacci traders. Let's see. For now, looks like SPY wants to continue to the downside. I would wait a little bit longer to see this area breaking to the downside, and then I will add to my already winning position in the Discord. What else do we have? Tesla is green. Yeah, Tesla is green. Meta is also green. Let's check Tesla if it's still holding. Yeah, Tesla still holding 4 consecutive dojis. We are waiting. Looks like market is waiting for Tesla's earnings. Until then, nothing much. Equilibrium. Yeah, equilibrium. On Tesla, this is the support. Below it, this gap will get filled. Below it, we have another gap over here. Hi, Ionatko, how are you? G-E-L-D. G went up in the past few days. Today, got rejected by this area. Why? Put a line, look left, and now you understand why. This area, very important area of support. Now, very tough resistance. Now it needs to hold this area as support. As long as it's above the 1574, if you're already long, you are good to keep your long. Below it, no more long. RK, let's check RK. What's RK is doing? RK going down. Of course it's going down. The whole market is going down. Why should RK be different? Look at the FTI. Bearish 3 out of 4 time frames. Now the 46. This area, the 46, 60 needs to hold the support. Otherwise, back to the 44. What else do we have? Fadi, my friend. We also have ASTE. ASTE, Aztec Industries. Basically going good, but look at this. You are now at the very tough resistance area. Just look left, trade right. Look left, trade right. This is the mantra. Look left, trade right. 35 area, very tough resistance. 34 needs to hold. Below it, 32, 63. Long only above the 35. And then 37, 39. Arik is asking, do you think that if the S&P and the QQQ, Tesla is crossing? 1 second, let's see. Tesla is crossing. I would wait a little bit longer. Let's check the 5 minutes on Tesla. Looking good. I want to see push above the 254.50 area. Let's wait and see. And then maybe we can start taking long on Tesla. We can start taking long on Tesla. What do you think? We have higher lows. You see this trend line over here? Train your eyes to watch for trend lines. Let's see. Yep, we can start take long position. And Meta. Let's wait another 1 minute. I will put this here, so I will not miss it. Meta looking good. Tesla looking good on the 5 minutes. Do you think that if the S&P and the Nasdaq go down, then the Russell will go up instead? For now, this is what it's doing, right? For now, except today. This is what it's doing in the past few days, right? You have... Okay, we're long on Tesla. Stop loss. 253. Stop loss 253. Now let's see how it's working. Another alert on Tesla for day trading. We are long. We are long on Tesla on the 5-minute charts. Let's see the 256 once again. Can we hit it? Can we hit the 256? Let's watch. 256. It's 3 different sectors, 3 different indices. The SPY can go down, QQQ can go down, the IWM can go up. Different companies, different tickers. Doesn't mean anything. If you have money rotation, you have money rotation. Until when? Long after earnings season. Now we're going down. But our stop is just here, 253, below this yellow zone. Once it hits the yellow zone, breaking below, we are out. This is why we have stop loss. No one knows what will happen next. We lose, we lose. So, what else? WK, let's check WK. Let's check WK. WK, not looking good. Look at this. The 75 area, very tough resistance. Weekly close above it, and then we can go long towards the 78. T-Doc, Teledoc. Once, 4 years ago, it was a very, very long time ago when T-Doc, during COVID, was 300. Since then, not a healthy name. Nothing. Bearish on all time frames. What else do we have? DAC. DAC, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like, subscribe. Bearish on all time frames for Danaus Corporation. Downtrend until it's not. Below the 85, you will see 82 to the downside. Etsy. Very tough resistance, the 67 area. The 63 needs to hold. Long continuation above the 67 towards 70, 74. Amazon. What about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin basically stuck below the 64,800, as you can see, 3 consecutive days. Below the 64,800, 62,500 needs to hold, and then we are back to the 60,500. Long continuation, and we will see 67,500. Amazon continue break this uptrend line. This uptrend line is no more relevant. Below the yellow zone, we are heading to the 178 and 173. Amazon next Thursday. Earnings coming up. David wants UP. Up is the ticker. Tight price action. Price action is getting tighter and tighter. Still bullish on all time frames. As long as you're above the 344, you are good to stay if you're still long. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a weekly close above the 4. CSPR. Ulai CRPS, crisp, maybe this one. I think you wanted this one. Bearish on all time frames, cannot hold above the yellow zone. Next support is the 56 and then 52.30, only above 62 weekly close, and then we can start talking long on crisp. Arik, I don't look. IWM on the daily, still holding, right? Still holding the uptrend. You have a gap, needs to get filled. It will get filled. The sooner the better. Maybe even taking a breath all the way back to the 215 area and then next leg up. QQQ. QQQ. Look at this. Not looking good. Not looking good. RSP. Looking good. SPY. Trying. The QQQ looks the worst from all of them. IWM. Pretty good. Pretty good. What is a diamond in Tesla? I don't know what is diamond pattern. What is a diamond pattern? This, you can call it whatever you want. Patterns are in the eyes of the beholder. I know what you mean. You have this. You have this. But you cannot do patterns to the back. You have this. It's consolidation, my friend. Just consolidation. Sideways move. Equilibrium. Nothing more, nothing less. NCNO. Let's check NCNO. NCNO, as long as it's holding the 32.30, long continuation above today's highs, and you will see 34.60, 35, 36, 36, 50. Palantir, I would wait. I would wait to see how the week will close on Palantir. I want to see how it will hold. For now, I will not re-enter on Palantir. If your stop hit, I would wait. Don't chase. Don't chase, no FOMO. Stop hit, hit, that's it. Move it to the side, at least 2 trading days. Let it cool off. Let your brain cool off. Let your emotions cool off. GIS. GIS. GIS looking good. Close this gap. Now let's see continuation. 68, 70, and 71. Meta long till reaching this up gap. What is Meta long? Why Meta long? Where do you see long on Meta? Bearish on all time frames. Inside candle. After this 16% to the downside. For now, no long on Meta. HD, Home Depot. Home Depot looking good. Home Depot looking relative strength. As long as you're above the 364 area, you can keep your long. Long continuation above the 360, 375 toward 390. Yitzhak is asking if IWM broke a trend line. If the IWM breaks trend line, which means for now it didn't break any trend line, but if the index broke a trend line to the upside or to the downside, doesn't matter, what stocks you need to go inside the index. Like the SPY, you have 500 names. On the Qs, you have 100 names. On the IWM, you have 2,000 names. So you need to go inside the index and search for the strongest names to the upside or to the downside. On. Same as the rest of the market. Some kind of a doji today. This area, the 41 area, very tough resistance. Why? Because it was a very important area of support. Let's check the last 21 trading days. As long as you're above the 40 area, you are good to still hold your long. if you are long. If you're not long yet, it's not a time to go long on this name. SPY still holding intraday, the 552 area. AMD broke another 3.4%. Now this trend line is irrelevant. Now all you need to do, watch the trend lines, watch your trend lines, and AMD is going towards the backwards or towards to the 145 area. This is the next area. We will see AMD end of the month. AMD have earnings. AMD just gave back all this run, just gave back and some more. This is why you need stop loss while you are trading. You need stop loss while you are trading. Fadi, you're more than welcome to join the Discord. We have many setups for day trading, for swing trading, for shorts, for longs. This is why we have the Discord. If you have any specific questions, I will love to answer. What else do we have? What else? EPAM, look at EPAM, looking good. Keep it close on your watch list. HSIC, looking good. Breakup, continuation, 75 incoming. VFC, now the 1620 needs to hold the support, and all this area, the 17 is resistance. PG, Procter & Gamble, now needs to hold the red line. WBD, you remember from yesterday, Warner Brothers. I gave it yesterday, Warner Brothers, WBD. Yesterday we talked about, just 24 hours ago, we talked about in the midday market recap. Great setup, break up and above. Now let's see it above this area. We will go and close this gap over here. So who else is with me, ladies and gentlemen? If you want, you are more than welcome. Instead of super chats, just go inside this link and buy me coffee. And of course, if you want to know how to find A+ setups for short, for long, for day trading, for swing trading, how I trade, how I manage risk, just check the Fibonacci traders. This crash course, it's for you, ladies and gentlemen. It's for you. Once you take the crash course, this is in English. Once you take the crash course, 80% of all your fears, all your questions regarding how to in the trading world, this is the first link is in English, the second link is in Hebrew. 60 minutes crash course, a little bit more, I think more close to 100 maybe minutes. Choose the language, available in both languages. The first one in English, the second one in Hebrew. It will help you. It will help you for questions like any hot plays in the market, or if IWM is breaking, what kind of stocks will get affected. Such kind of thing will answer. These questions will be answered through the trading crash course. $197 instead of losing money in the trading world. Money that we work very hard, but we don't really know what to do, right? We don't really know how to handle our losses. We don't know how to handle our positions, how to make money. We don't really know how to make money in the trading world, right? So take this course, invest in yourself before you invest in any stock that you don't know. SPY going down. I want to see it holding, breaking below, and we are going full short on the SPY. Full power on the SPY. Let's see. Let us see. Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly. A really bearish candle on Eli Lilly. Yeah, broke an option channel. This channel is irrelevant anymore. Now we are going down towards where? Take your trend lines. Let's see if this will hold. This is the next area of support. This one, the 800 area. Here. This area is the next major support on Eli Lilly, breaking below. And we are heading to the 722. Hi Danik, how are you? RITM for Zurich. RITM, if you're already long, you know what to do with your stop loss. If you're not long yet, I would not take long on this doji XOM. Now, take a look. You remember Tesla? We just took long over here. Yeah, we are on the red side, but trend lines, ladies and gentlemen. Look, we got a bounce off a trend line. You want to know how to do it? I can teach you. Whether you take the crash course, whether you take the mentorship program, whether you take the online program, I will teach you how to do it. XOM continues to the upside. Next is the 121 area. All this area is the next resistance area. All this area is the next resistance area. Here, we're almost there. Plug power. I checked it in the morning, looked good. Inside candle, doji, not much of a price action. Just put the FTI. 291 needs to hold the support. Long continuation for now. If you want to enter long, I would wait above the 334 area. Only above this one. It's very tough resistance. You see? Look left. Just look left. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? Bitcoin sliding down. SPY still holding. 18 more minutes for this candle on the 65 to get closed, and then we will see how the SPY will act. Ronen wants toast. Like, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. It's 12:27 a.m. China time, and I'm doing live. I'm doing live 2 times a day. It's 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, 3:30 p.m. Israel time, 11:59 a.m. Eastern time, 6:59 p.m. Israel time, and above all this, every day the stock market recap, 8 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like. Toast. If you're already long, in my opinion, 26 needs to be your risk management. For long, only above 27.90, and then 29 and 30, 70. NEO continues to break to the downside. NEO, leave this stock alone, ladies and gentlemen. It's basically doing nothing. Nothing at all. Leave the stock alone. So many other great stocks, great opportunities out there. NEO is not one of them. Should you buy more S&P? Elad, I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you what to do. And if you need to ask someone on social media if this is the time to buy S&P, You need to do your homework, my friend. And I tell you, because it's your money. Don't trust anyone with your money. Infosys looking good. Bullish on all time frames. Need to hold above this area. As long as you're above this area, the 1700, next will be the 1840 and 1931. I don't know, Fadi, I don't know. I have no idea. WDC. Just imagine all this free information you get from me 3 times a day. Just imagine the information and the money you can make if you join me on in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Links in the description below. WDC. Bearish on all time frames below 69. You will see 65. Samsung, my friend, how are you this morning, this noon? Have you eaten lunch already? And if so, what did you do? What did you eat? Hood, 4 days in a row doing nothing. Looks like we are heading to close the gap at the 2240. Let's check more. What's going on? What's going on in the market? Looks like bulls are kind of sleepy, kind of weak. The bulls are weak. Busy. Lunch, you need to go eat something. You need to go eat. Look at this. Look at the bounce of the trend line. This is the magic. Once you understand the magic between Fibonacci trend lines, you need nothing else in your trading. Nothing else. Let's raise the stop to 53.20. Risk management. We are all about risk management. Nothing more, nothing less. Risk management. What else? What about Apple? Apple is going down for now. Apple is down 2.3% for now, breaking this uptrend channel. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. Let's see where the week will close. 218 needs to hold below 218 and we can say goodbye to this uptrend. PGR looking good. Break above the 219. Now 219 is your support. You have a gap over here. Needs to get filled. Overall looking good. Long continuation 235 and 244. W day still holding strong. As long as you're above the 226, you are good to go. Long continuation above the 237, and this gap, the probability of this gap getting filled is getting higher by the day. Jumaya doing nothing, holding strong above the 1144 area, the upper border of the yellow zone, but we got ourselves the sell signal on the daily, which means if you're looking to go long on Jumaya, this is not the time. If you're already long, 1144 needs to be your risk management. Tesla we talked about, but we can talk about Tesla once again. Nothing much on Tesla, as you can see. Not much of a price section, basically since beginning of July. Market is waiting for earnings next Tuesday after the bell. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are getting ourselves the bounce. Look at this trend line, Fibonacci. We are getting ourselves the bounce, the lower border of the broadening formation. You see everything live. Now look at Tesla from support, from trend line to the next resistance above it, and we are heading north to the 257. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to make money through trading, join the Fibonacci Traders Discord today. Check the links in the description below. We have a description in English and in Hebrew. No more excuses. Fibonacci Traders, with me, you will start making money. It will take some time, but you will see results. And if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, I say it with 100% confidence, to the highest level of trading, join the Fibonacci Traders University. You can start with the crash course, Hebrew or English, all the links in the description below, or just jump and take the live mentorship or the pre-recorded mentorship. Both programs, the live mentorship in English and in Hebrew, of course, both programs, choose one and you will gain lifetime access for support and guidance from me and all Discord channels. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's 12:35 a.m. China time. I want to thank you all for joining this live. Please hit the like, subscribe. Until the next video, until the next live. Stay safe.